Hello everyone, I'm Julia from Tiantai Cable. Now I'm taking you to visit our factory.
Now I bring you this design. This is an European standard power cord with VDE certifications. It supports 16 amperes, 450 wattage. This power plant complying with European electrical standards. Rated current 6A, rated voltage 250. Suitable for high power electrical equipment. Certified with European safety approved. Feature include insulation, flame-retardant and anti-leakage protectors, firm copper in the conductor.